Hey, I want this to be a quick unboxing here of an open box from Best Buy, Google Pixel 10 Pro XL. This is in excellent shape. It's supposed to be in excellent shape, so we'll see. After I set this thing up, I will put a comment to see, to show you all what its battery health is at. Back in a second. So this has, of course, doesn't look like they opened it. Whoever bought this originally. All right, and of course your mileage may vary with open box items. This is going to be one I got here. I think this was like 816 bucks or something like that before taxes and all that jazz. It looks like it's in really good shape. Looks like it's in brand new shape actually. A little bit of smudging here, but other than that, it's in better shape than the iPhone 16 Pro Max we just did last week. That was in good shape too, but that was kind of dirty. It's kind of gross. Yeah, no, this is in excellent shape. So of course we got, I believe one of these is a speaker, one's a mic. You guys correct me if I'm wrong. I think I learned that recently. One of these is a speaker, one of them is a mic. Then you have USB Type-C. No, both of them are not speakers, but I believe one is actually a mic, not just blank. Just with a grill on it. Volume rocker, power button there. Mic up top. You have your camera visor on the back here with the multiple cameras. You know, this is in crazy good shape. This one's not too old. That might be why. And if we look on the open box thing here, this was printed on 11/15 of last year. It is now 12/5, I think, 12/6, something like that. I think today's the 6th. So, no, not 12. It's 1/6. Today's 1/6. So this is almost 2 months ago. Yeah, almost 2 months ago that they printed this up. So it is now 1/6 of 2026. So, all right, yeah. Again, you guys' mileage may vary with this, but in this, looks like it's in brand new shape. Like I said, these were not even like touched. So, and like I said, I'll put a comment, pin a comment for what my battery health is at once I get it all set up and good to go. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Goodbye.